recording.
Woo! Let me start again. Good. Off you go.
Ja, fertig?
Yeah.
I got time.
Great. Yes.
You're one of those ring girls. Hey, round one. Take 1,650. Oh, what a horrible day already. God damn it. Just arrived. Office sucks already.
I don't get it in.
That's what she said.
Oopsie, I broke it.
That's
what he
also
said.
what she said.
That was he said. The title. That's a good one.
What we're talking about today is I don't remember.
Oh, that's not the right.
Working with you is so damn hard. That's what she said. Hey, Roald.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thanks.
Wow.
Why? Why?
Says you started burping in the editing room.
But we
first.
are not on the screen then.
You're not on screen now either.
That's
Nerd.
Fucking great.
How to get cancelled in 5 seconds. That's our talk. Hi, my name is Sander Deur and I'm a professional Scrum joiner for Scrum the Door, working at Zebia. And together with my colleague Kam, and back.
Got it with my tomboy.
Toy boy! Woohoo!
Okay, that's not.
Sandbox.
Okay, yeah, now. Key principles of self-organizing. But till then it was good.
Yeah, maybe we can.
Strategies, and then you will jump on the psychological safety thing and invite.
Psychological safety. So if you want to join our talk, it's a good idea. Psychological safety shit.
Which you can use as a blueprint, as first stepping stones to really reach that point of self-organizing teams. What do you think about that, Sander?
A whole lot. I think we should start over.
Yep, that was shit.
Yeah, definitely.
Zebia. We're here to talk about leading from the sandbox, how to empower your teams. Together with my colleague Tom, we're delivering this talk.
That was stupid. I started too early. And again, roll.
You always talk through me. We're here to talk about how to...
Let's breathe a bit.
Yeah, together with my colleague Tom, we're here to talk about how to empower your teams by building a sandbox. Nope, that's not the title.
I wanted to say what?
I will get my Coke and drink something and then we do it again.
I need some Coke too, but a different one. You can do it together with us. Get your pom-poms out and just start cheering through.
All.
Next to that, we will definitely be touching potato. Let's do the last part again.
Be fully self-organized. If this is interesting for you, come and join our talk.
See you there.
That wasn't that bad.
I'm just here for the eye candy, am I not?
Yes.
Shall we keep it on? Do it again.
It's not strive, it's thrive.
Yeah.
That was number one.
First one.
And weekend.